Your freedom is standing on something you rarely notice. Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that one small part of your body has gone on strike. Not your heart. Not your lungs. Your feet. No walking. No standing. No balancing on one leg. Suddenly, everything feels harder to reach and harder to navigate. That's when the truth becomes clear. The human foot is far more complex than most people realize, and it plays a critical role in how you move and stay balanced. So let's take a closer look at your feet and why they matter. Each human foot has 26 bones. That's almost a quarter of all the bones in your body packed into a very small space. Those bones are connected by dozens of joints, over 100 ligaments, and many muscles and tendons, all working together every time you move. Your foot isn't stiff or solid. It's built to bend, adjust, and stay strong under pressure. The big toe alone plays a crucial role. It bears a significant portion of your weight and provides the push that propels you forward with every step. Without it, walking efficiently would be nearly impossible. Then there's the arch. Not just a curve, but a shock-absorbing masterpiece. With every step you take, your arches compress and rebound, managing forces that can reach up to 5 times your body weight. Walking, running, jumping, all of it flows through that elegant structure. Without arches, each step would feel much harsher on your legs and spine. Despite their strength, feet are incredibly sensitive. The skin on the soles is thicker than anywhere else on your body, yet beneath it lies a dense network of nerve endings. These nerves act like a sensory radar system, constantly scanning the ground. Uneven, slippery, sharp, warm, cold. Your feet detect it instantly and send that information to your brain, allowing your body to make micro-adjustments before you're even aware of them. Balance, posture, and coordination all begin at ground level. And here's something most people don't realize. Your feet sweat. A lot. They contain more sweat glands per square inch than almost any other part of your body, capable of producing up to half a pint of moisture each day. This isn't a flaw. Moisture increases friction, improving grip and stability as you move. Your feet also change throughout the day. They swell slightly as gravity pulls fluid downward, making them largest in the evening. And rarely are your 2 feet exactly the same size or shape. One is almost always a little longer or wider than the other, a quiet reminder that the human body is built for function, not symmetry. Evolution has left clear fingerprints on the foot. Our early ancestors once used their feet to grip branches. Over time, the big toe aligned with the others, trading grasping ability for forward propulsion. This shift transformed humans into efficient long-distance walkers, capable of traveling vast distances with minimal energy. Your feet helped your species outlast predators, cross continents, and eventually build civilizations. And they never stop adapting. Walk barefoot on sand and your muscles strengthen. Spend years in narrow shoes and your toes slowly change shape. The foot responds honestly to how you use it. It remembers what you ask of it. Even standing still is an active process. When you're upright, your feet are constantly making tiny adjustments, shifts so subtle you'll never notice them, keeping your center of gravity balanced. Stability isn't static. It's a quiet, continuous performance, and your feet lead the choreography. What's most surprising is how rarely we stop to appreciate everything our feet do for us. They soften the impact of every step, sense the ground beneath us, help us stay upright, and even assist blood flow back to the heart. They carry us through long workdays, adventures, and late-night trips to the kitchen, often without us noticing. Over a lifetime, the average person walks about 100,000 miles. So the next time you walk across a room, remember this. You aren't just moving forward. You are placing your trust in a pair of intricate, ancient, endlessly adaptable structures to keep you upright in a world shaped by gravity. Not bad for something we usually hide in socks. If you enjoyed this journey beneath the surface of human anatomy, stay curious. The most fascinating stories are closer than you think. Hit like, share this video, and subscribe so you won't miss what we will explore next.